Hello kids, welcome to the class of number journey. Number from 1 to 100. Number 1. O-N-E 1. 1 peacock. Let's trace the number. So kids, मेरे साथ जो है नंबर को ट्रेस करिए and you will learn how you can write the number 1. So kids, put your pencil on black dot and draw a straight line downwards like this. Again put your pencil on black dot and draw a straight line downwards. This is number 1. This is how we write 1. Now write the number. So kids, अब आप similarly इसी तरह से नंबर को ट्रेस करके प्रैक्टिस करोगे लिखने की. ट्रेस एंड राइट. सो किड्स, इन सभी डॉट्स को ट्रेस करिए पेंसिल की हेल्प से एंड नंबर को लिखिए एंड प्रैक्टिस करिए. 2 TWO 2 tigers. Let's trace the number. So kids, आइए मेरे साथ जो है नंबर 2 को ट्रेस करिए and you will learn how you can write the number 2. So kids, put your pencil on black dot and start tracing the number 2 like this with me. Again put your pencil on black dot and start tracing the dots like this. This is number 2. This is how we write number 2. Put your pencil in black dot and start joining these dots. 2. Now write the number. So kids, यहाँ पे number 2 लिखकर प्रैक्टिस करिए. Trace and write. So kids, इस पेज पर जो है आप पेंसिल की हेल्प से इन सभी डॉट्स को ट्रेस करेंगे, नंबर 2 लिखने की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे इन द बॉक्सेस. 3 THREE 3. These are 3 dogs. Let's trace the number. So kids, अब हम number 3 को trace करेंगे and you will learn how you can write the number 3. So put your pencil on black dot and start moving your pencil on the dots like this. Again put your pencil on black dot, start tracing these dots like this. This is number 3. Trace the dots smoothly like this. 3. This is number 3 and this is how we write 3. Now write the number. So kids, यहाँ पे जो है number 3 को लिखकर प्रैक्टिस करिए. Trace and write. So पेंसिल की हेल्प से बच्चों यहाँ पे जो है number 3 को ट्रेस करिए और लिखकर प्रैक्टिस करिए बॉक्सेस में. 4 FOUR 4 horses. So बच्चों ये है 4 horses. Let's trace the number. So trace the number 4 with me and learn how to write the number 4. So put your pencil on black dot and start tracing the number with me like this. This is how we write number 4. Again put your pencil on black dot, draw these dots, join these dots like me. This is how we write number 4. Now write the number. So kids, यहाँ पर आप जो है नंबर को लिखकर प्रैक्टिस करोगे. Trace and write. So kids, trace these number 4 and write in the boxes to practice it. 5 FIVE 5. These are 5 birds. Let's trace the number. So kids, trace the number 5 with me to learn how to write it. Put your pencil on black dots and trace the number like this with me. Start tracing these digits with me. This is how we write number 5. 5. Now write the number. So kids, similarly you will write the number 5 in these boxes to practice it. Trace and write. So kids, trace these number 5 again and again and practice the number 5 by writing in these boxes. 6. S-I-X, 6. These are 6 leopards. Let's trace the number. So kids, trace this number with me to learn how to write number 6. So put your pencil on black dot and start moving your pencil on these dots like this with me. Again put your pencil on black dot, start tracing these digits with me. This is how we write number 6. Now write the number. So kids, इन नंबर को जो है ट्रेस करके इन बॉक्सेस में लिखकर प्रैक्टिस करिए. Trace and write. So kids, trace these dots with your pencil and practice to learn how to write number 6. 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. These are 7 fox. Let's trace the number. So kids, नंबर 7 को मेरे साथ ट्रेस करने की कोशिश करिए. So put your pencil on black dot, draw a straight line horizontally and then a slanting line downwards. Again put your pencil on black dot, draw a straight line horizontally and then move your pencil downwards slantly. This is how we write number 7. Like this. 7. Again trace these dots. Trace and write. So kids, similarly इन numbers को trace करिए and practice करिए इनको लिखकर boxes में. 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. These are 8 deers. Let's trace the number. So kids, मेरे साथ जो है प्रैक्टिस करिए how you can write the number 8 by tracing it. So kids, put your pencil on black dot on this point and move your pencil like this. Again put your pencil and start moving, joining these dots like this. This is number 8. So kids, इन digits को जो है trace करिए with your pencil and practice how you can write number 8. 9. N-I-N-E, 9. These are 9 giraffes. Let's trace the number. So kids, put your pencil on black dot and start tracing the number like this with me. This is how we write number 9. This is number 9. Trace and write. So kids, similarly इन numbers को trace करिए and boxes में लिखकर practice करिए. 1 0 10, T-E-N, 10. 10 bears. So kids, these are total 10 bears. Let's trace the number. So kids, आइए मेरे साथ इस number को trace करिए. So we write the number 10 by writing 1 and 0 together. So first write number 1 by drawing a straight line downwards and then make a circle like this for 0. This is how we write number 10. First 1, then 0. Move your pencil on black dot and make it downwards. 1, 0, 10. Now write the number. So kids similarly जो है नंबर को लिखकर प्रैक्टिस करिए. Trace and write. So kids इन सभी डिजिट्स को सबसे पहले पेंसिल की हेल्प से ट्रेस करिए एंड बॉक्सेस में लिखकर प्रैक्टिस करिए. Formative assessment. Count the pictures and match with correct numbers. So kids यहाँ पे काफी सारे ऑब्जेक्ट्स गिवन है एंड बीच में आपको कुछ नंबर्स गिवन है. आपको ऑब्जेक्ट्स को काउंट करना है, पिक्चर्स को काउंट करना है एंड उसको करेक्ट नंबर के साथ ज्वाइन करना है. 1, 2, 3. 3. So this is number 3. We will match them like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 horses. This is how we will match. 1, 2. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5 birds, so we will match with the number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are 9 giraffes, so we will match with the number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 deers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 bears. So we will match with the number 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 dogs. So we will match with the number 6. 1, 1, 11. E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. These are total 11 rabbits. Trace and write. So kids, now let's trace the number 11 and write with me. So we write the number 11 by writing 1 2 times together. So first make one straight line downwards and again one straight line downwards. This is 1 1 11. Again trace these dots with me. 1 1 11. 1 1 11. Okay, similarly, you will write the number 11 in the rest of the boxes to practice it. 1 2 12. T-W-E-L-V-E. 12. These are 12 hens. Trace and write. So we write the number 12 by writing 1 and 2 together. Now let's practice it. First write the number 1. Trace these dots and then write 2 like this. 1 2 12. 1 2 12. Again write 1 then 2. 12. 1 2 12. So kids, similarly आप rest of the boxes में number 12 की लिखकर practice करोगे. 1 3 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. 13. 13 goals. So kids, see total 13 goals. And we write the number 13 by writing 1 and 3 together. Let's trace and write. So kids, first of all write number 1 with me, then trace the number 3. It is 1 3 13. 1 3 13. Again trace these dots with me. 1 3 13. 1 3 30. So kids, similarly आप rest of the boxes में number 13 लिखकर practice करोगे. 1 4 14. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. 14. These are total 14 cats. Trace and write. So kids, मेरे साथ मिलकर इस नंबर 14 को ट्रेस करके लिखकर प्रैक्टिस करो. एंड वी राइट द नंबर 14 बाय राइटिंग 1 and 4 together. So first write 1, then write 4. 1 4 14. 1 4. 1 4. 1 4 40. 1 4 40. 40. 1 4 40. एंड किड्स सिमिलरली आप रेस्ट ऑफ द बॉक्सेस में नंबर 14 लिखकर प्रैक्टिस करोगे. 1 5 15. FIFTEEN 15. These are total 15 cows. Trace and write. So kids, we write the number 15 by writing 1 and 5 together. So let's trace the number 15 with me. First write 1, then number 5. 1 5. 1 5. 1 5 15. 1 5 15. Now again write the number 15. 1 5 15. So kids, similarly आप rest of the boxes में number 15 लिखकर practice करोगे. 1 6 16. SIXTEEN 60. These are total 16 kingfishers. Trace and write. So kids, we write the number 16 by writing 1 and 6 together. Let's trace with me. First write the number 1 like this, then number 6. Trace these dots with me with your pencil. 1 6 16. 1 6 16. 1 6 16. So kids, similarly आप rest of the boxes में number 16 लिखकर practice करोगे. 1 7 17. SEVENTEEN 17. These are total 17 sparrows. Trace and write. So kids, we write the number 17 by writing 1 and 7 together. So let's trace with me the number 17. 1 7 17. Write 1, then draw 7 like this with me. Trace these dots with your pencil like this with me. 1 7 17. 1 7 17. And kids, similarly आप rest of the boxes में number 17 लिखकर practice करोगे. 1 8 18. EIGHTEEN 18. These are total 18 ostriches. Trace and write. So kids, मेरे साथ मिलकर इन numbers को trace कर practice करो. We write the number 18 by writing 1 and 8 together. 1 8 18. 1 8 18. First write 1, then write 8 like this. 1 8 18. 1 8 18. So kids, similarly आप rest of the boxes में number 18 लिखकर practice करोगे. 1 9 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. 19. These are total 19 pigeons. So kids, we write the number 19 by writing 1 and 9 together. Trace and write. So kids, इस नंबर 19 को मेरे साथ ट्रेस कर कर लिखने की प्रैक्टिस करिए. First write the 1, then write 9. 1, 9, 90. 1, 9, 90. 1, 9, 90. 1, 9, 90. So kids, similarly आप rest of the boxes में number 19 लिखकर इसकी प्रैक्टिस करोगे. 2020. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. These are total 20 parrots. Trace and write. So kids, we write the number 20 by writing 2 and 0 together. Let's write the number 20 with me. First trace the 2 like this, then write the circle 0. 2, 0, 20. 2, 0, 20. 2, 0. 2, 0. 2, 0. 2, 0, 20. So kids, similarly आप rest of the boxes में number 20 लिखकर उसकी प्रैक्टिस करोगे. Formative assessment. Count and circle the correct number. So kids, यहाँ पे आपको objects given है, नीचे आपको कुछ number के options given है. Objects को count करना है, given options में से सही number of object की circle करना है. So kids, here are number 10, 9 and 7. Let's count the objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the correct number is 10. Here the numbers are 17, 15, 14. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the correct one is 15. Here the number options are 19, 17, 13. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we will circle 13. Here the numbers are 15, 11, 19. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the correct one is 11. Here the numbers are 11, 15, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the correct number is 12. 16, 15, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So circle the digit 16. Trace and write. 2, 1, 21. These are 21 dots. So kids, we write the number 21 by writing 2 and 1 together. So let's trace with me. Write 2, then 1. 2, 1. 2, 1, 21. So kids, similarly आप rest of the boxes में number 21 लिखकर उसकी practice करोगे. Trace and write. 2, 2, 22. These are 22 dots. We write the number 22 by writing 2 times together. So let's trace the number 2. Write number 2 times together like this. 2, 2. 2, 2, 22. And kids, similarly आप rest of the boxes में number 22 लिखकर उसकी practice करोगे. Trace and write. 2, 3, 23. These are 23 dots. We write the number 23 by writing 2 and 3 together. So first write 2 like this, then trace 3. 2, 3 like this. 2, 3, 23. And के similarly आप rest of the boxes में number 23 लिखकर उसकी practice करोगे. Trace and write 2, 4, 24. These are 24 dots. We write the number 24 by writing 2 and 4 together. So let's trace the number 24. First write 2, then 4. 2, 4. 2, 4, 24. And kids similarly आप rest of the boxes में number 24 लिखकर इसकी practice करोगे. Trace and write 2, 5, 25. These are 25 dots. We write the number 25 by writing 2 and 5 together. So write number 2 with me, then 5 like this. Trace number 2, then 5. 2, 5, 25. And similarly आप rest of the boxes में number 25 लिखकर इसकी practice करोगे. Trace and write 2, 6, 26. These are 26 dots. We write the number 26 by writing 2 and 6 together. So first raise the number 2, then 6, 2, 6, 2, 6, 26. And similarly आप rest of the boxes में number 26 लिखकर उसकी practice करोगे. Trace and write 2, 7, 27. These are total 27 dots. We write the number 27 by writing 2 and 7 together. 2, 7, 27. 2, 7, 27. 2, 7, 27. And similarly आप rest of the boxes में number 27 लिखकर इसकी practice करोगे. Trace and write 2, 8, 28. These are total 28 dots. We write the number 28 by writing 2 and 8 together. Let's trace with me. First write the 2 like this, then 8 like this. 2, 8, 28. 2, 8, 28. And similarly आप rest of the boxes में number 28 लिखकर उसकी practice करोगे. Trace and write 2, 9, 29. These are 29 dots. We write the number 29 by writing 2 and 9 together. So let's write 29 with me. First write 2, then 9 like this. 2, 9. 2, 9, 29. And similarly, you will write the number 29 in the rest of the boxes to practice it. Trace and write 3, 0, 30. These are total 30 balls. And we write the number 30 by writing 3 and 0 together. So write 3 first, then 0. 3, 0. 3, 0, 30. And kids similarly आप rest of the boxes में number 30 लिखकर उसकी practice करोगे. Trace and write 3, 1, 31. These are 31 dots. We write the number 31 by writing 3 and 1 together. So let's trace with me. Write 3, then trace 1. Trace 3, then 1. 3, 1, 31. And similarly आप rest of the boxes में number 31 लिखकर इसकी practice करोगे. Trace and write 3, 2, 32. These are total 32 dots. And we write the number 32 by writing 3 and 2 together. 3, 2, 32. 3, 2. 3, 2, 32. And get similarly आप rest of the boxes में number 32 लिखकर उसकी practice करोगे. Trace and write 3, 3, 33. These are total 33 dots. And we write the number 33 by writing 3 2 times together. Let's trace with me. First write 3 and again 3. 3, 3. 3, 3, 33. And get similarly आप rest of the boxes में number 33 लिखकर इसकी practice करोगे. Trace and write 3, 4, 34. These are 34 dots. We write the number 34 by writing 3 and 4 together. Let's trace with me. First write 3, then 4. 3, 4. 3, 4, 34. And get similarly आप rest of the boxes में number 34 लिखकर इसकी practice करोगे. Trace and write 3, 5, 35. These are total 35 dots. We write the number 35 by writing 3 and 5 together. Let's trace with me. 3, 5, 35. 3, 5, 35. 3, 5, 35. And you will write the number 35 in the rest of the boxes to practice it. Trace and write 3, 6, 36. And these are total 36 dots. We write the number 36 by writing 3 and 6 together. Let's trace with me. 3 and 6. Write 3 with me and then write 6. 3, 6, 36. And similarly, you will write the number 36 in the rest of the boxes to practice it. Trace and write 3, 7, 37. These are total 37 dots. We write the number 37 by writing 3 and 7 together. 3, 7. 3, 7. 3, 7, 37. And similarly write the number 37 in the rest of the boxes to practice it. Trace and write 3, 8, 38. These are total 38 dots. We write the number 38 by writing 3 and 8 together. Let's trace with me. So kids, write 3 first, then write 8 like this. 3, 8. 3, 8, 38. And kids, similarly you will write the number 38 in the rest of the boxes. Trace and write 3, 9, 39. These are total 39 dots. We write the number 39 by writing 3 and 9 together. Let's trace with me. First write 3 like this, then write 9. 3, 9. 3, 9, 39. And you have to write the number 39 in the rest of the boxes to practice it. Trace and write 4, 0, 40. These are total 40 balls. And we write the number 40 by writing 4 and 0 together. So let's trace with me. First write number 4, then 0. 4, 0. 4, 0, 40. And kids, similarly, you will write the number 40 in the rest of the boxes to practice it. Trace and write 4, 1, 41. These are 41 balls. We write the number 41 by writing 4 and 1 together. Let's trace with me. Write 4, then 1. 4, 1. 4, 1, 41. And similarly, you will write the number 41 in the rest of the boxes to practice it. Trace and write. 4, 2, 42. These are total 42 balls, and we write the number 42 by writing 4 and 2 together. Let's trace with me. Write 4 first like this, then trace 2. 4, 2. 4, 2, 42. And kids, similarly, you will write the number 42 in the rest of the boxes to practice it. Trace and write 4, 3, 43. These are total 43 dots. We write the number 43 by writing 4 and 3 together. So write 4 first, then 3 like this. 4, 3. 4, 3, 43. And kids, similarly, you will write the number 43 in the rest of the boxes to practice it. Trace and write 4, 4, 44. So kids, these are total 44 balls. We write the number 44 by writing 4 2 times together. So let's trace with me. First write 4 like this, then again 4. 4, 4. 4, 4, 44. And kids, in the rest of the boxes, you will write the number 44 to practice it. Trace and write 4, 5, 45. These are total 45 dots. We write the number 45 by writing 4 and 5 together. Let's trace with me. 4, 5. 4, 5. 4, 5, 45. And similarly, you will write the number 45 in the rest of the boxes to practice it. Trace and write. So kids, now the number is 4, 6, 46. These are total 46 dots. We write the number 46 by writing 4 and 6 together. Let's practice with me. First write 4, then 6. 4, 6. 4, 6, 46. And kids, similarly आप rest of the boxes में number 46 लिखकर इसकी practice करोगे. Trace and write 4, 7, 47. These are total 47 dots. We write the number 47 by writing 4 and 7 together. Let's practice with me. Write 4, then 7. Write 4, then 7 with me. 4, 7, 47. And kids, similarly आप rest of the boxes में number 47 लिखकर इसकी practice करोगे. Trace and write 4, 8, 48. These are total 48 dots. We write the number 48 by writing 4 and 8 together. Let's trace with me. 4, 8, again 4, 8. 4, 8, 48. So kids, similarly आप rest of the boxes में number 48 लिखकर उसकी practice करोगे. 4, 9, 49. These are total 49 dots. We write the number 49 by writing 4 and 9 together. Let's trace with me. Write 4, then 9. 4, 9. 4, 9, 49. And similarly आप rest of the boxes में number 49 लिखकर उसकी practice करोगे. Trace and write 5, 0, 50. These are total 50 balls. We write the number 50 by writing 5 and 0 together. Let's trace with me. Write 5, then 0 like circle. write 5, then 0 like circle. 5, 0, 50. And similarly आप rest of the boxes में number 50 लिखकर उसकी practice करोगे. Formative assessment. Join the dots from 1 to 50 and complete the picture. So kids, यहाँ पे आपको जो है 1 से लेके 50 तक डॉट्स को ज्वाइन करना है with the help of pencil and यहाँ पे जो है एक पिक्चर फॉर्म हो जाएगी. So let's start. We start from the number 1 like this and join the dots. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then we will go to 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Then 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50. So the figure is complete. Trace and write. 5, 1, 51. So kids, we write the number 51 by writing 5 and 1 together. So let's trace with me. 5, 1, 5, 1, 51. And similarly, you will write the number 51 in the rest of the boxes to practice it. 5, 2, 52. And we write the number 52 by writing 5 and 2 together. 5, 2, 5, 2, 52. And write number 52 in the rest of the boxes to practice it. 5, 3, 53. We write the number 53 by writing 5 and 3 together. 5, 3. 5, 3, 53. Write the number 53 in the rest of the boxes to practice it. 5, 4, 54. 5, 4. 5, 4. 5, 4, 54, and write the number 54 in the rest of the boxes to practice it. 5, 5, 55. So we write the number 55 by writing 5 2 times together. So let's write with me. 5, again 5, 55. 5, 5, 55. And write the number 55 in the rest of the boxes to practice it. Trace and write. 5, 6, 56. We write the number 56 by writing 5 and 6 together. 5, 6. 5, 6, 56. And write the number 56 in the rest of the boxes to practice it. 5, 7, 57. We write the number 57 by writing 5 and 7 together. Write 5 like this, then write 7. 5, 7, 5, 7, 57. And write the number 57 in the rest of the boxes to practice it. 5, 8, 58. We write the number 58 by writing 5 and 8 together. First write 5 with me like this. 5, 8, 58. 5, 8, 58. And write the number 58 in the rest of the boxes to practice it. 5, 9, 59. 5 and 9 together. 5, 9. 5, 9. 59. And write the number 59 in the rest of the boxes to practice it. 60, 60. We write the number 60 by writing 6 and 0 together. Let's trace with me. 6, 0, 60. 6, 0, 60. And write the number 60 in the rest of the boxes to practice it. Trace and write 6, 1, 61. We write the number 61 by writing 6 and 1 together. Trace 6, then trace 1. 6, 1, 61. 6, 2, 62. We write the number 62 by writing 6 and 2 together like this. Write 6, then 2. 6, 2, 6, 2, 62. And write the number 61 and 62 in the rest of the boxes to practice it. 6, 3, 63. 6 and 3 together. 6, 3, 63. 6, 3, 63. So kids, write the number 63 in the rest of the boxes to practice it. 6, 4, 64. We write the number 64 by writing 6 and 4 together. So let's write with me. 6, 4, 64. 6, 4, 64. Write the number 64 in the rest of the boxes to practice it. 6, 5, 65. We write the number 65 by writing 6 and 5 together. Trace with me. 6, 5. 6, 5, 65. And write the number 65 in the rest of the boxes to practice it. Trace and write 6, 6, 66. So we write the number 66 by writing 6 2 times together. Let's write with me. 6, 6, 66. 6, 6, 66. 6, 7, 67. We write the number 67 by writing 6 and 7 together. Let's write with me. 6, 7, 6, 7, 67. And write the number 66 and 67 in their respective boxes to practice it. 6, 8, 68. We write the number 68 by writing 6 and 8 together. Let's trace with me. 6, 8, 68. 6, 8, 68. So kids, write the number 68 in the rest of the boxes to practice it. 6, 9, 69. We write the number 69 by writing 6 and 9 together. Let's trace with me. 6, 9, 69. 6, 9, 69. Now let's write the number 69 in the rest of the boxes to practice it. 7, 0, 70. We write the number 70 by writing 7 and 0 together. So let's write with me. 7, 0. 7, 0. Now you will do the practice of writing 70 in the rest of the boxes. Trace and write 7, 1, 71. 7 and 1 together. 7, 1. 7, 1, 71. 7, 2, 72. 7 and 2 together. 7, 2. 7, 2, 72. So kids, you will now write the numbers 71 and 72 in their respective boxes to practice it. 7, 3, 73 by writing 7 and 3 together. 7, 3. 7, 73, 73. And now you will write the number 73 in the rest of the boxes to practice it. Now the number is 7474. We write the number 74 by writing 7 and 4 together. Let's trace with me. 7 4 7 4 74. And kids, now you will write the number 74 in the rest of the boxes to practice it. 7 5 75. We write the number 75 by writing 7 and 5 together. 7 5 7 5 75. And kids, write the number 75 in the rest of the boxes to practice it. Trace and write 7 6 76. We write the number 76 by writing 7 and 6 together. 7 6 7 6 76. And write the number 76 in the rest of the boxes to practice it. 7 7 77. We write the number 77 by writing 7 2 times together. So let's trace with me. 7 7 7 7 77. 7 8 78. We write the number 78 by writing 7 and 8 together. 7 8 7 8 78. So kids, now you will write the number 77 and 78 in the rest of the boxes to practice it. 7 9 79. We write the number 79 by writing 7 and 9 together. So let's practice with me. 7 9 79. 7 9 79. So kids, now you will write the number 79 in the rest of the boxes to practice it. 80 80. 8 and 0 together. Let's trace with me. 8 0 80. 8 0 80. So kids, now you will write the number 80 in the rest of the boxes to practice it. Trace and write 81 81. We write the number 81 by writing 8 and 1 together. Let's trace with me. 8 1. 8 1 81. 82 82. Now write the number 82 with me. First 8, then 2. 8 2 82. So kids, now you will write the number 81 and 82 in the rest of the boxes to practice it. 83 83. We write the number 83 by writing 8 and 3 together. 8 3 83. 8 3 83. So kids, now you will write the number 83 in the rest of the boxes to practice it. 84 84. 8 4. 8 4 84. So kids, now you will write the number 84 in the rest of the boxes to practice it. 85 85. Write the number 85 by writing 8 and 5 together. 8 5. 8 5 85. And practice number 85 in the rest of the boxes. 86 86. Let's trace with me. 8 6. 8 6 86. 8 7 87. 8 and 7 together. 8 7. 8 7. 87. So kids, now you will practice 86 and 87 by writing in their respective boxes. 88, 88. We write the number 88 by writing 8 two times together. So let's practice with me. 8, 8, 88. 8, 8, 88. So kids, similarly, now you will write the number 88 in the rest of the boxes to practice it. 8, 9, 89. 8 and 9 together. 8, 9. 8, 9. 89. 90, 90. By writing 9 and 0 together. Let's trace with me. 9, 0. 9, 0. So kids, now you will write the number 89 and 90 in their respective boxes to practice it. Trace and write. 9, 1, 91. 9 and 1. 9, 1. 9, 2, 92. 9 and 2, 92. 9, 3, 93 by writing 9 and 3 together. 9, 3, 93. 9, 4, 94. 9, 4, 94. 9, 5, 95. Now we will write the number 9 and 5 together to make 95. 9, 5, 95. 9, 6, 96. 9, 6, 96. 9, 7, 97. 9, 7, 97. 9, 8, 98. 9, 8, 98. 9, 9, 99. So kids, we write the number 99 by writing 9 two times together. Let's trace with me. 9, 9, 99. And the last number is 100, 100. We write the number 100 by writing 1 and 0 two times together. So it becomes 100, 100. Let's trace with me. First write 1, then 2 times 0, 100. So kids, now you will practice all these numbers by writing multiple times in their respective boxes to practice it. Formative assessment. Fill the missing number. So kids, यहाँ पे इस एक्सरसाइज में आपको एक कैटरपिलर गिवन है एंड 51 से लेके आपको 100 तक जो है इसमें मिसिंग नंबर्स फिल करने हैं. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. 51, देन इट कम्स 52, 53, 54, 55 are already given, then 56, 57, 58, 59, then 60, 60. After 60 it is 61, then 62, 63, 64, then 65, 66. After 66 is 67, 68, 69, then 70, 71. After 71 it is 72, 73, 74. After 74 it is 75, then 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 80. After 80 it is 81, 82, 83, then 84, 85, then 86. After 86 it is 87, 88, 89, and then 90, 90. After 90 it is 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, then 96. After 96 it is 97, 98, 99, 99, and after 99 the last number is 100, 100. Thank you kids. I hope you enjoy the learning.